Hey guys, Nate here with the Boathouse Lake Country, and today we're showing the 230 Outrage. If you don't know, that's a Boston whaler. Follow me inside. Now that we're inside the boat, two of my favorite things come right here at the console: the 9-inch Simrad display and the adjustable trim tabs on the fly. The best part about this boat, guys, is the helm is multi-purpose. You can use it as a restroom, an office, and it's got a little window. Well guys, made it to the bow of the boat where you can see the jail audio system, the upgraded seating package, and this is where the table actually belongs, not on my lap on the toilet. Here at the very front of the bow, we have the windlass anchor. Now you can control this from the cockpit or right up here at the bow of the boat. Here we have the giant fiberglass T-top to guard you from all the elements. Look at how big it is. Now guys, down at the stern of the boat here, we got this awesome flip-up bench, and also the helm seat flips down and kind of turns into a bench for sitting backwards as well. Thanks for watching, and if you do want to come check this boat out, it's located at the Boathouse of Lake Country. Come on in, we'd love to see you and show you the rest of the boat.